Assalamu alaikum, our respected headmistresses, respected teachers, and my dear all friends. Myself Rifat Gazi from class 9. Today is Independence Day and it's 15 August. On this day in 1947, India became free. We got freedom from British rule. Many brave people fought for us. They give their lives so that we can live freely today. Our tricolor flag is a symbol of our pride. Saffron means courage, white means peace, and green means growth. The Ashoka Chakra in the middle remind us to keep moving forward. Freedom is a big gift, but with freedom comes our duty. Our duty is to respect our country, help others, and make India proud. A India that is strong, smart, and kind. Today, let's take a promise. We will work hard and build a better India. On this Independence Day, let's stay together. Hail India! Assalamu alaikum.
স্বাধীনতার গৌরব ও দেশপ্রেমের বার্তা শুধু আমাদের মাতৃভাষা নয়, বিভিন্ন ভাষাতেও ছড়িয়ে পড়ুক। নিতাকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ একটি সুন্দর বক্তৃতা পরিবেশনের জন্য। এরপর